And we breathe with the unseen world of spirit, the nature spirit, and the beings who have dissolved their earth bodies, their earth forms, and are here in presence, spirit presence. And let's interbreathe with our human animal family for the full circulation of the one heart to awaken. Any being that is here with you, nearer than near, knocking on your heart door, just turn toward them. I see you, and they are here. And pull in and deeply breathe into the deepest part of yourself, that anchor of your natural true self that expresses itself through you. So as one field of unified heart, we breathe. So good to see you all. Let us dive in now to these transmissions that are singing from the heart of nature consciousness directly into the heart of our true nature, with the intention of awakening. And let us dive into this word vehicle, awakening. Understanding it as a state of consciousness, our natural state. So again, these words come through as a felt sense. So imagine that you are in a state of feeling groggy, and this little snow white right comes and licks you on the nose, or your fluffy beloved comes and snuzzles you awake out of your sleep. Allow these words to be like that, gentle nudges of love. There's a felt sense within. Did you know all of life is in cahoots? All of life is in cahoots, serving one and only one purpose. And only this one purpose actualized through and through the all of you will raise a one-bodied phoenix from the ashes of the burned away dross, resurrecting the crucified as one awakened heart of the here and now. Now just feel how those words have landed as I read them again, breathing them in deeper. Did you know that all of life is in cahoots, serving one and only one purpose? And only this one purpose actualized through and through the all of you will raise the one-bodied phoenix from the ashes of the burned away dross, resurrecting the crucified as one awakened heart of the here and now. So feeling powerful words. They're just loaded, aren't they? Let them ring forth and circulate through your whole being, not just the thinking mind, but the luminous, open, unconditioned mind, united with the heart, united with the belly, full bodied being. And you feel how each grain of sand in the iridescent oyster shelled being of you is in service to this one purpose. Can you feel how each grain of sand in the iridescent oyster shelled being of you is in service to this one purpose? Feel now how each grain of sand in the iridescent oyster shell being of life itself is not separate from you, is in service to this one purpose. Feel how each grain of sand in the iridescent oyster shelled being of life itself is not separate from you, is in service to this one purpose. Rubbed, watered, and relentlessly polished into the priceless pearl of awakening. One purpose, rubbed, watered, and relentlessly polished into the priceless pearl of awakening. Rub, water, polish every grain, serving one purpose. Every grain of life, every grain within the iridescent oyster shell body being of you. All is in cahoots, harmony in the purpose. Every single grain in the sands of life is conspirating in total cahoots. And we are here with you. As one glance we glimpse behind the veils of separation. Oh, to behold the alchemy transpiring behind all that appears in the dazzling world of transient appearances. Every single grain in the sands of life is conspirating in total cahoots. And here with you, as one glance, we glimpse behind the veils of separation. Oh, to behold the alchemy transpiring behind all that appears in this dazzling world of transient appearances. a glimpse here and now with real eyes. And behold, the alchemy is transpiring behind all that appears in this dazzling, mightily distracting world of transience, transient appearance. So feel together how nature is amplifying this precisely honed conspirate seed of alchemy. Feel how all of nature is amplifying this precisely honed on spirit seed of alchemy. All of life is. All of life is one spirit body with you. Yes, you. And is in total cahoots. A divine conspiracy of awakening. Waking up out of the tumultuous sea of distorted forgetting who you are. And waking up into the true intimacy of undistorted self-seeing. A divine conspiracy of awakening. Waking up out of the tumultuous sea of distorted forgetting who you are. And a waking up into the true intimacy of self-seeing. Awakening is intimacy with all of life through the portal of here and now. Intimacy Anciently I see the one sea of all. Awakening is intimacy with all of life through the portal of here and now. Intimacy. Into me I see the one sea of all. Portal of here and now. Feel intimacy all, seeing undistorted within, true self-seeing directly into self. There's a feeling who I am. Who I am. This is the conspiracy of all of life, of every grain of sand within you. Your ancient stardust bones know the fragrance of the flower of awakening. The earth element within you knows the fragrance of the flower of awakening. Your very breath carries this fragrance through the ether as an offering for all who are done sleeping. This fragrance of your innermost being permeates through the ether, transformed with a breath. I see it. Your very breath then carries this fragrance of your innermost being as an offering for all who are done sleeping, all who are done forgetting who I am. Just like all of nature, you are awake awareness. The parts of you have forgotten and separated themselves out so that they can be remembered. by being seen by the light of awake awareness and self-liberated into the full circulation of the one heart once again. Yes, like all of nature, you are awake awareness. But parts of you have forgotten and separated themselves out so that they can be remembered by being seen by the light of awake awareness and self-liberating into the full circulation of the one heart once again. There are parts of you still tightly bound by shackles and by controlled gateways locked up by fear and conditioning, cutting off the natural flow of the fully awake circulatory system of your true nature as the one interbreathing heart that is life itself. There are parts of you still tightly bound by shackles and by controlled gateways, locked up by fears and conditioning, cutting off the natural flow of the full awake circulatory system of your true nature as the one interbreathing heart that is life itself. Let's breathe together, opening this full circulation for our natural self as one heart. Feel yourself in this calm spirit be awakening through self-seeing as a direct perception of who I am. Who am I? Who I am. And invite all of these places that feel cut off to be remembered. A glance of I see you. Inviting them into the full circulation of awake awareness. I see you. Emanates love. As I see you. It's the frequency of light. And is an invitation to remember feeling this full circulation within, opening the crown, the sun, the warmth, that crown, allowing it to flow into your third eye, that pineal portal that Travis was resting his muscle on. Let him rest his muscle right there, center. Feel it streaming down as a flow of light, awake awareness through all the peripheral organs, arms and legs, through the heart and the belly and the root of your being. Intimacy into me. I see of all. And all of nature here, amplifying this glance you're feeling. Feeling of the breath, your essence, warmed by the light I see. Then emanating through the ether for all. And one conscious breath of this contagious fragrance is enough. So let's listen to a little crystal bowl alchemy, bit of a deeper integration. holding your intention. This light, awake awareness. Amplify. Oh, beloved, feel how your intention, a light current, that fragrance, deep within the bones of your being. Feel how important your part is in this one body of nature.